You're looking for appliances for small spaces. You want something that's powerful and also practical. That can be for your RV, your mobile home, your trailer, small apartment, campsite, kitchenette, vacation home, or even your main home. You want value, quality, and durability. We're going to look at the top 7 products for small spaces. First up is an Instant Pot Duo. It's a 7-in-1 mini electric pressure cooker. It's a slow rice cooker. It steams, it sautés. You can make your own homemade yogurt with this. It can also warm and sterilize bottles and cups. It includes free app with over 1900 recipes. It's crafted of stainless steel and has a capacity of 3 quarts. Next up is the Magic Bullet Blender. This is small, silver. It's an 11-piece set. This can slice, it can dice, it can puree, it can make soups, it can make smoothies, you can crush ice, you can make pies, you can make ice cream pies, you can do your like sweet potatoes, you can slice those items up like that. Ice cream, just about anything you want to. And the bullet cups come with lids, so you can put a lid on it and put it in your refrigerator and save it for later. The great thing about it is it's easy clean. The blades, you just run some water over them, they come clean instantly. And for the bullet cup, you just put a little bit of soap and a little bit of water and clean out your bullet cup. So it's a nice, easy clean. This is the Dash Tasty Crisp. It's an electric air fryer oven, 2.6 quarts. This is aqua. It does come in other colors. It's a compact air fryer for healthier food in minutes. It's ideal for small spaces. It has auto shut off, analog, and it is 1000 watts of power. This is perfect for your french fries, for your wings, for heating up anything. It's the perfect size and it's always ready whenever you are. Next up, we have the Elite Gourmet Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. It's 1500 watts, electric hot plate, temperature controls, power indicator lights, and it is easy to clean. Here you see we're cooking salmon and eggs, so it is perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's nice, even heat. Next is the Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 countertop toaster oven and long slot 2-slice toaster. Has a 60-minute timer, automatic shut off, a shade selector for the toast, and it is crafted of stainless steel. This is perfect if you have a pizza or anything too large for that hot air fryer. This is versatile with 4 cooking modes. It has bake, broil, toast, and warm. It includes the bake pan, the oven rack, and the easy to clean crumb tray. So you can pull it out the box and you are ready to cook all of your favorite meals right then. There's no waiting and you don't need anything additional to make it happen. This is the Bella Extra Large Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. This one makes 15 eggs at once. It's healthy, eco non-stick coating, hassle-free cleanup, large submersible cooking surface. The Bella XL is 12 by 22. There's also another Bella, which is just the Bella, and it's 10.5 by 20. So you figure you get about 2 inches more on each side. So I think the Bella XL is the larger deal because you get more cooking surface, and you could also put a lid over and let something be warming. Of course, we need our coffee. This is the Keurig K Express single serve. It's a K cup pod coffee maker, 3 brew sizes. It has a strong button feature, 42-ounce removable reservoir. This one comes in black, but it does come in other colors. This is for those who are K cup kind of people. Of course, I'm a old school kind of girl, so I'm going to go with the Black & Decker. It's got a 12-cup digital coffee maker. It's programmable, which means I can set it up at night and it's brewing and perking for me in the morning. Has a washable basket filter, sneaker cup auto brew, has a water window, we like to see, and it also has a keep hot plate, and this one comes in black. Our last item, I just thought this was just so cute. This is it's a nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station. It includes coffee maker, non-stick griddle, and a 4-slice toaster oven. Now I will admit, this one I have not tried. I have not used this one, but I just thought it was so cute I had to include it. It's a versatile breakfast maker with a timer. This color is aqua. I believe it does come in another color also, but everything you see comes with it. So you have your coffee pot, you have your griddle, you have the lid, which keeps everything warm. It is an all-in-one. It has a removable crumb tray. It is just neat as everything. It is nostalgic, and I think I love it for that reason. And I could see it in the trailer or in the camper fitting right in place because it looks like everything in there. So I just thought this was cool. I hadn't tried it, but I thought it was cool. So no matter if you're doing it for your home, if you're doing it for the campsite, if you're doing it for the RV, the mobile home, the trailer, these are 7 top options that would be great. If you've learned something new, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.